natural and organic expanding soil alternative. This is something you can use if you want to try and do sprouting indoors in the wintertime. $1.25, that's not a bad deal. Little bag of seed starting mix. That's also a good thing. They also have 8 pounds of potting soil for $1.25. It says special potting blend for indoor and outdoor use. That's a good thing to have too. Danger zone candy aisle. Good thing I'm not hungry right now, but chocolate. Chocolate is always good to keep on hand. You ever find these candles? These are pretty good. They burn a long time. And always get the one that is filled the most, like that one. Not that one. That one. My favorite thing ever, of course, is still the seeds area. Yes, I am a seed hoarder. I admit it. My hand, I'd raise both hands, but I'm hanging onto my phone. These little cocoa liners, these are a good deal for even $1.25. You're not going to find them that cheap anyplace else. But this is something you can do a ton of sprouts in. Pick yourself up if you already have a plastic bowl this size, put this in there, bag of that potting soil, and you can grow inside. These gloves are really good with the grippers on them for $1.25. I found them on clearance for $1 at Walmart, but those are good to have on hand. Also the different, $1.25, even if they break, buy one or two. These plant clips, I bought these a couple seasons ago for the garden, and they work awesome, especially for tomato plants. So, and the tools and stuff too for planting, those are a good deal as well. Highly recommend those. Looks like they have a lot of seeds that came in. Hopefully there's seeds in there. Looks like more like decor and stuff, but they're a little emptier than usual, but these are still 4 for $1, non-GMO. I like lavender. I'm gonna grab some more of those. And spinach. I always grab spinach. And broccoli. I'm gonna do some broccoli. I'm gonna use this broccoli in my microgreen sprouter if I can get them out of there. There we go. Okay. If you don't throw them on the floor, you're not shopping. After I picked up all my dropped seeds, I always grab kale as well. And this lettuce grows really good. And my hydroponic units too. I'm gonna get that one. And if it'll give it to me, I'm gonna get, come on, oh my goodness. They just don't want to, they know I have too many seeds at home, that's why they're doing this to me. Anyway, I'm taking those. I always check out this area. A lot of things I don't get from here, but there are some things that are a good deal, still for $1.25. These tarps, I usually pick up a few of these. They're not best quality, but a couple tarps like this is better than no tarps. The gloves, work gloves, again, these are men's really gripper ones. Those are really good. Those are really thick too. I would definitely buy those if I didn't have a ton. Window insulation kit. I've used these a couple times. Helps keep the draft out of the windows. Some of the pet treats are an okay deal. Some aren't. Yeah, nothing there for today. I do usually pick these up. I have them in my hydroponics areas sometimes, and then also in where my preps are. They work really good. This one has charcoal in it. That's really good for like underneath the sink or any place that, you know, you're in the bathroom, stuff like that. Regular ones, charcoal ones, I like these ones best. Favorites of my things I get from here, this cough and congestion. I have a ton of this. We used I don't know, I want to say between the three of us, when we ended up getting hit with the Rona friend last year, I think we went through about 8 bottles or so of that between 3 people. Love these cough drops too. I get the mint ones. I need some more. And the little individual packets too. Those are good to have on hand. This is in a different spot, weird spot, but hey Ginny from Homestead Corner. They have your little puppy dog chewy goodies here. Mine don't care for them, but we have some here. I haven't seen them for a while, but cleaning supply area. I usually keep those on hand for whatever scuffs and stuff you get. These, not a name brand, but 6 of them, they work really good. Even if they get trashed, you know, sooner than, yeah, you get 2 in this pack for $1.25. Those don't last any longer than the package of 6 of these. So to me, this is the best deal, and I stock up on those all the time. I think I have a case of them in my closet at home. Always good to have a pair of those on hand, especially if you do canning. Placement toilet bowl brushes. That's nice. Don't have to buy the whole set thing or whatever. Just get a replacement. Fave that I always have on hand. Pack of 100 disposable gloves. I keep a ton on hand. I use these when I am handling raw meats, when I'm cleaning up nasty things, you know, dog stuff in the yard. With 2 dogs, yeah, that's a lot of cleaning up, but I have these on hand for just about everything. And $1.25, and you get 50 pairs, or even if you only use one at a time, whatever, but those are a good deal. This is an item that I have quite a few of. They are 2, there's 2, I can't get nothing that Bogas on there ever, but there are 2 waterless, no water needed mini brushes. They're toothbrushes, toothpastes in them, just squeeze them, brush your teeth, spit it out. There's 2 in there. Those are in my go bags, so those are really handy. This tooth repair kit, I would recommend. That's something I've talked about before. I love these. These work excellent. And I like this as well. 2 things I recommend. I always stock up on these. I got a good supply of them. They have 10, 32, there's 320 of them in here, but these are good to have on hand. And they also have the larger ones too. Some of my usual favorite food items at the $1.25 store. 2 pounds of rice. That's a good deal still for $1.25. They have the brown, white, long grain. They still have other beans in the store, but yeah, if you can't find them at other stores like Walmart and that, and egg noodles too. Any of their pastas that they have, and these are a good price, especially if you're getting lasagna. Any of these, because a lot of the stores don't have pasta in stock. Also, we really like these tortillas. There's 12 in here for $1.25, and it's still a better deal than any place else. And they actually taste good. So pasta, beans, rice, and tortillas. Ooh, I got some of these in the store. I love these wonton strips when I make egg roll in a bowl. I'm gonna grab a couple of these. I'm always checking to see if there's a date on them. So this is September 22. A lot of items are expired by the time they get here, so I always just check. So I have those in there. Mustard, that's a deal. Tortilla strips, croutons, crispy onions, pickles. I love this brand of pickles and their sweet relish. Love those. And I always get this minced garlic as well. Perfect deal. Another thing I usually pick up is evaporated creamer. It's not sweetened. You can make it into milk and use it for coffee creamer. Recipes that call for whatever. But the date is April 30th on these, and they've not changed. They haven't been getting any new stock in on those. Coffee filters I keep on hand just because if I need to filter out water or anything like that. Shelf-stable milk. This is not, I don't know, I haven't bought this brand because I have a ton of the other kind. Still, I get this kind usually, and it's good. You can use it for cooking, and it's usually pretty shelf-stable for a long time. I still have $1 area, which these are okay. I'll pay $1 for the pork and beans because I always doctor them up anyway. But the best deal that I always get when I'm here is this large 29 ounce of whole potatoes. They're $1, and the date is good till December of 23. So it could last long before that. And also they still have the Goya brand beans and things for $1. And tomato sauce for $1 is that big jar of tomato sauce is really good as well. Another thing I get here is batteries. I make sure I have tons of these button kind for especially my pew-pews that have sights on them, and also certain flashlights take the battery. Alarms, window alarms take them. Thermometers, those are a good deal at $1.25. Alrighty. That was my shop with me at Dollar Tree and see what good deals they have. And yes, now there are snowflakes flying around again, coming out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please. And also consider subscribing to my channel. And have a great day, especially if you're somewhere warm and sunny. And God bless. Stay safe and keep on prepping.